Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're going to talk about a sensitive and complex topic in Texas family law. Can a mother terminate a father's parental rights? It's a question that comes up very often, and the answer is not simple. It's just saying yes or no. In Texas, one parent cannot unilaterally terminate another parent's rights. So that's the short answer. Terminating a father's parental rights, whether by the mother or by the state, is a legal process, and it does require a court order. The court's got to find clear and convincing evidence that termination is in the best interest of the child, and that at least one statutory ground for termination exists. And these grounds are going to be outlined in the Texas Family Code, and they include things like abandonment, neglect, abuse, endangerment, failure to support, and certain criminal convictions. It's going to be very important here to understand that simply being an absent or uninvolved father is not enough to meet the legal threshold for termination. The court is cautious because terminating parental rights is a very serious permanent step. It's going to sever all legal ties between the child and that parent. Once those ties or those rights are terminated, there's no obligation for child support. There's also no possibility for custody, visitation, or inheritance. And sometimes a mother may seek termination because she wants her new spouse to adopt the child, right? And in those such cases, the court may consider termination more favorably because there's a father in place, especially if the biological father has had no contact with the child or has failed to provide financial support for an extended period here. However, even then, it's not automatic. The court's going to look at the child's emotional, physical, and psychological needs. It's also worth noting that a father can voluntarily relinquish his parental rights, but even that requires court approval. Dad just can't say I'm done and move on. Court has to still be involved. The court must still determine whether ending that legal relationship is in the best interest of the child. Texas courts are focused on protecting children, not punishing parents. So the child's welfare is always at the center of decision making. So if you're considering this type of route and are wanting to terminate a parental right, don't go out alone. You need to get an attorney. These cases are very emotionally charged. They're very legally complex. So what can you do? You can schedule a free 30-minute consultation with our team today, and let's talk through your options, and let's talk through your rights. So thanks for joining us here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.